Meaning of formally.
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 Formally. The word formally is an adverb that describes something done in accordance with established or prescribed rules and procedures. It indicates a level of officialness or legitimacy in the action taken. When something is done formally, it is usually recognized as being legal or binding. For instance, a formal contract is a legally binding document that clearly outlines the obligations and responsibilities of the parties involved. Similarly, a formal apology is an official expression of regret made in accordance with established protocols. Therefore, to do something formally is to do it in a way that conforms to accepted norms and standards.